Hi, my name is Emily Goodman, and I am a graduate speech-language pathology student at LIU Post. Today, we will be learning about hearing assistive technology systems. Today, we will discuss what hearing assistive technology is, why we need them, and who can benefit from them. Hearing assistive technology systems are usually in specific situations, such as restaurants and movie theaters. Hearing assistive technology systems can be provided in places where the listening conditions are less desirable, or when the audio signal originates at a far distance. When selecting devices for an individual, it is important to consider the individual's communication demands in the home, work, or community setting. Signs such as this one can be located in movie theaters, libraries, and more. An individual's hearing aid may not be ideal for situations such as the ones listed above, including ambient noise, reverberation, and background noise. Environments inclusive of hard floors and plaster walls can be reverberant. One's hearing instrument will not work well in difficult listening environments. For those with hearing aids, background noise is difficult to filter out. ALDs can be categorized into wireless and hardwire systems. Wireless ALDs include FM systems, infrared systems, and induction loop systems. Hardwired ALDs involves connecting the sound source to an actual wire. The FM system is a frequency modulation system that uses radio waves to transmit sound. The listener has to wear a receiver where the waves are transmitted. The receiver does not always connect to the individual's hearing aid. Infrared systems transmit sound through infrared signals that are sent to the individual's receiver or neck loop. IR systems are commonly found in movie theaters as they cannot be used outside due to the sunlight. Induction loops are placed around the perimeter of the room and are convenient for the listener. Individuals with a hearing aid with a T-coil setting can simply turn on the T-switch. Those without this setting must use a receiver and headphones. These diagrams show induction loop systems, and some of them are compatible with the individual's hearing aid and their T-switch.